Hey folks, happy Saturday to you. I've got something a little bit different today. I ordered a pair of sunglasses from a company called Blender, and what I wanted to do is just do a quick unboxing and just give you a comprehensive review of the sunglasses. So let's get started. Now, I originally wanted to do a review of these several weeks ago, and this is actually my second pair of these sunglasses. Here's the first pair. The first pair I was wearing cutting grass. I took the sunglasses off, set them on the seat of my lawnmower, and I was in a hurry and sat on the sunglasses. And that broke the hinge on the sunglass, or on the arm of the sunglass. So those were no good. I did reach out to Blenders with the hopes that they were, or this incident was covered under their warranty, which unfortunately it was not. But I've got to give them a big thumbs up. I did get a very quick response from the customer service team there, and they did offer a 25% coupon for another purchase of the same sunglasses. So I took them up on the offer and I bought a second pair. Alright, now that I've got the unboxing out of the way, let me show you what came in the box. So you get, obviously, the pair of sunglasses. Also comes with a nice plastic carrying case. You also get a lens cleaning cloth. And then, I don't know what this is. Advertisement. Alright, so initial thoughts. You know, it's plastic. The lenses feel lightweight. The lenses are plastic also. One thing I found out, or I noticed about these glasses is they have spring hinges, which is nice, which these Oakleys do not. But, you know, there's a difference that I can tell right off the bat in the quality of the plastic. You know, between the $30 pair of Blenders and my $160 pair of Oakley Jupiters. Yeah, my initial impressions, you know, again, $30 for these sunglasses. I think the quality of the material is decent. Let's see. You know, fit and finish, I think they feel pretty good on my face. You know, they don't bunch up, they don't rub underneath my eyes. It's nice. The spring hinges, that's a really nice touch. I think they look pretty good. So, you know, for $30, I think they were worth the buy. So, I'll see how these do driving around town and, everyday wear, but, initial impressions I think are pretty good. I like them. I like the color. I like the workmanship on them. Hinges don't squeak. Again, they've got the spring hinges to them, which is a nice touch. And we'll see how the plastic lenses hold up under everyday wear. So, all in all, I would recommend them. There you go. That is my comprehensive review of the blenders. These are the show model, or the show, and they are advertised, at least on my Facebook feed, just about every day. So that's what prompted me to make the purchase. Not much more I can say about them right now. The packaging is nice. The shipping was pretty quick. I think they came in about 3 days. And, the price is right. So there you go. Hope that was helpful to you.